Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dolly. Several days ago I had Max. Well, Max is the Swedish version of McDonald's. And a lot of Swedes think Max is the best fast food in the world. Well, for me it's more or less the same. Anyway, I ordered kids menu in Max and I got this book as the kids gift. It's called Luden och alla djuren. And Luden is a rabbit name, so it means the rabbit and all the animals. So in this book, it's mentioned how animals pronounce or how they sound in Swedish, and I think it's really interesting because it has huge difference from the Chinese one. So I'm going to share this book with you guys. So let's start. First, it's dog. In Chinese, we say "wow, wow," and in Swedish, it's wolf, wolf. I really don't understand how can a dog pronounce f. And second, oh my god, it's huge difference. It's pig. In Chinese, we say and in Swedish, it's oink, oink. How can a pig pronounce oink? I think it's too advanced for a pig. And then the third is sheep. Well, sheep in Chinese, we always say meh. Well, in Swedish, they call it bä. So once I played settler with my boyfriend, and he said he wants sheep sauce. He said he wants bä. And I asked, what's bä? And fourth, it's duck. In Chinese, we say ga, ga. And in Swedish, they call it quack, quack. It's same as dog. How can they pronounce k, k? I think it's pretty interesting. And then the fifth, it's cow. In Chinese, we say mo, mo. And in Swedish, it's moo, moo. Well, I really don't know which one is more accurate. The last one is cat. And I think it's pretty similar between Swedish and Chinese. In Chinese, we say meow. And in Sweden, it's meow. So, well, I think it's more or less the same. I hope you like this short video and leave comments. Tell me how these animals pronounce or how these animals sound in your language. And remember to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Hey though!